Hi friends, today we are celebrating our channel's 1K subscription. So we are preparing a variety type of cake. We'll need flour, egg, baking powder, baking soda, salt. First we would need to cook the powders. So the raw smell and taste of it will go. 2 2 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, and stir it well until the raw smell goes. Also keep it in mind that the flame must be in low flame. Add them into the grinder. Boil chicken without salt and drain it. Add 4 eggs to a beater and beat it until it fluffens. 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and strain it. Add half cup oil to the egg mix. Add the flour mix to the egg mix and gently stir it. Add half a cup of milk and the grinded chicken. Stir it well. Grease a pan with oil and add the batter. Tap it, cover it, and keep it in low flame until it cooks, and also don't show direct heat to it. Our cake is ready. We will need mayonnaise, so there is already a video of it, so I'll give the link above and below. Please check it out. Next, let's prepare tomato syrup. I took 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and added some water and mixed it. And our tomato syrup is ready. Almost everything is ready now. Tomato syrup, mayonnaise. Yeah, I also have some grated veggies like carrot, cucumber and cabbage. And also some fried boneless chicken. Firstly, we need to cut the cake. You can decide how many layers you want. I'm going with 3. You can make 2 layers, 3 or 4, or as much as you want. So I've cut it into 3. Add the tomato syrup above the cake. Some mayonnaise and try spreading it evenly. Next, add the grated vegetables. some fried chicken, spread some mayonnaise on top of it, and repeat the same for the next layers. Tomato syrup, mayonnaise, grated carrot, cucumber, cabbage, fried chicken, and mayonnaise. Place the last piece of cake, cover it with mayonnaise. And decorate it as you like. I'm just going with some grated carrots on bottom and some grated cucumber above. You can decorate it according to your likes and dislikes. It's up to you. So yes, our chicken forest is ready to be served. Thank you so much for your kind support. Thank you so much. Please keep supporting us. Hope you liked our video. Thank you for watching Payyanur Kitchen.